All right, fan jet, 4-cell battery, lots more rubber bands. I think that might have been one of the reasons it was banking to the right. Well, it's kind of banks to the right there, don't it? Oh, that might be why there. Tuck that under real quick. Or not. Oh well. Alright. Right, left. We do have flaps this time. Alright. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah. She's got lots more power. Wow. Still wants to bank. Well, I sure can see it better. Wants to climb, climb, climb. There we go. All right, let's see how this motor did. Oh yeah. Let's get out of the nosebleed section. Wow. That 4-cell makes a hell of a difference.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Boy, don't cut the power. That thing falls like a rock. That's trimmed out. Hey, look at that. It actually flies straight. Maybe I can do a high-speed pass without it trying to climb this time. Nope. So she's a little tail heavy, I think. Wow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, we better land it. Probably get that up trim back. I don't want to run out of battery. It's not going to be easy. Thing falls like a rock.
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop.
Oh!
Timer start.
All right, turned it around. Wow, it even taxis.
Timer start.
Look at that thing. That thing's badass.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop.
Get the wing on there straight and not at a little bit of an angle like it is, and it actually might fly straight. Hey, thanks for watching, especially my monster project here of the fan jet. It's been a lot of fun. Please give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. It all helps. Thanks.